is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Get up, stand up for your right.
Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figeroux, founder and senior partner at the law firm of Figeroux and Associates. Mr. Figeroux opened his private practice in downtown Brooklyn in 1996. He specializes in personal injury, immigration, matrimonial law, bankruptcy, and wills and estate planning, with a strong emphasis on litigation matters. As the Lawyer features Brian's legal advice as he answers listeners' questions and shares his insights in achieving your goals and objectives. Every week, As the Lawyer also features interviews and guests related to Mr. Figeroux's interests outside the law. Guests and topics include health and wellness, the civil rights war, music production, writers, as well as international and local political and religious leaders. Wide-ranging, fun, informative radio. That's Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figeroux. Ask the Lawyer any question you like via email at bfigeroux@msn.com. That is bfigeroux@msn.com for legal advice regarding specific situations. Appointments at the office will be made when you call 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Please note that submitting questions do not create an attorney-client relationship.
Yes, this is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we've got the answers. Whatever your legal issue or concern, call us right now for a free, no obligation legal consultation. The number to call, the number to share, and the number to keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. Some deaths and illnesses are avoidable through preventative interventions or timely health care. Differences in rates of avoidable mortality between population groups reflect differences in people getting the help they need to address life-threatening health risks and illnesses. Black Lives Matter in Healthcare. Mr. Figeroux, can you speak on health inequalities?
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. And sometimes we have experiences in life that we say, damn boy, you know. I remember in January 2010 being arrested by Sergeant John of the 83rd Precinct. I remember officers standing there, you know. I asked why I'm getting a ticket. The guy say, arrest him. These guys were coming up in my face saying, you know, where you from, you know? I said, I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, because this is my home now, brothers. Yeah, in Bushwick. And these officers, black, brown, allowing this white officer, you know, the almighty Sergeant John of the 83rd Precinct, to obviously violate my civil rights. Sergeant John said that he's going to put me through the system and teach me a lesson. I said, you know, I called into another affairs. He said, I don't care. I said, you know, I spoke to 911. He said, I don't care. Eventually, he was fired from the 83rd Precinct for sexually harassing the ladies there at the 83rd Precinct. Some of these ladies, I do not know, maybe some of the ones who stood there and listened to what he said to me. You know, You go on the subway, they say, if you see something, say something. Well, the NYPD need to have something like that, you know, when they have to obviously protect our civil rights. So they don't care about Black Lives Mattering for a very long time and may never care because their union endorsed KKK, Russia, and Trump. So that NYPD union, the PBA, we got to have problems with them. Yes. But when we talk about Black Lives Matter, we neglect to talk about the healthcare system. The healthcare system that killed many of our friends and family. And I lost a great friend and others because of this pandemic, because of this COVID-19. And when people talk about the hospitals in our community, the health professionals in our community who lack empathy or who just ain't care about us in this healthcare system, that is so true. Because I had to use the healthcare system recently. I thought I was an Iron Man, you understand? For like 35 years now, I didn't use no healthcare facility in this country. But recently I had to. And that experience wasn't the best experience. So I had to remove myself from Brooklyn and use the health facilities in Manhattan. And it was night and day. In Brooklyn, in our community, and there are several hospitals, they treat us like dogs. The people who say they are doctors in our community have very little empathy towards us. And the equipment that they use, the approaches that they use, something is wrong. And people complain, but it falls on deaf ears. Why? Because, hey, what do our elected officials care? You know, we have a lot of elected officials in our community, and they don't care a damn. We have 2 and 3 times the city average in our communities for HIV, heart disease, diabetes. Yes. We have a lot of people, because of these ailments, have to take Social Security disability or file for workers' comp. And a lot of us may have encountered the system and we can file medical malpractice cases, but we don't. Why? Because we just don't know what happened. They cover up for each other. Yeah. They don't go by if you see something, do something. When they see something, they hide the something. So you may be a victim of medical malpractice, but it never comes out. Yeah. So again, who suffers? Obviously our loved ones. Because if you were the breadwinner in your family, and even if you wasn't the breadwinner in your family tree goes down. Yeah. Whatever the responsibilities you have, it goes down. So I'm saying to our medical professionals out there, our nurses, our LPNs, our CNAs, our clerical people at these hospitals, Brookdale, Kings County, the list goes on. You know those hospitals, you work there, people. We have a lot of people who are part of that union 1199 or the nurses union. You don't owe nothing to your employer and you shouldn't be covering up. They have insurance that covers malpractice. These people who are victims do not have malpractice coverage, obviously, or insurance coverage that will help them. So what we need is whistleblowers. Yes, whistleblowers. What is a whistleblower? Someone who ain't go take no nonsense and protect the people. Black lives matter. Brown lives matter. Yeah. So when we go to a hospital or a doctor's office and we are going there for our health to improve, we want those doctors and the professionals at these institutions to protect us. And if you make a mistake in the hospital and you are the problem, then you have to whistleblow on yourself. You have to be responsible. So if you know you kill somebody in the hospital accidentally, obviously, your employer could pay for that mistake. You know, boy, damn, you know, the doctor take out the man left heart and it should be his right heart or something. I don't know. But think about that patient. Think about that patient's family. If you sign false reports, you're going to get into trouble. It is not worth it. What should be done is that, you try to put things back on the right path. So you nurses, LPNs, administrative workers, you need to be whistleblowers because Black Lives Matter, Brown Lives Matter in our medical system. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You want to be a whistleblower? You have problems that you want assessed and nobody obviously help you through the whistleblowing issues? Give us a call. Our number to call is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. If you have any civil rights issues, we could work with you. If you have any medical malpractice issues, we could work with you. If you have any slip and fall, personal injury issues, auto accidents, we can work with you. Those litigation is done on a contingency fee basis, meaning we do not charge you any money. If we lose the case, obviously, we get nothing, you get nothing. So we don't want to work and get nothing. So we want you to win so that we win also. Again, there's no legal fees. It's a free consultation as usual. Give us a call. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. A lot of people are injured. They go to these medical facilities, and what they do, they are ripping off no-fault insurance. So they're going to do a lot of stuff on you, right? Telling you you need this, you need that, when in fact you're not injured. Avoid those situations because you're not going to get no money for your injury. You're just helping some of these organizations that commit fraud. So please, you have a real injury, give us a call. We will work with you to make sure that you obviously get the medical attention that you deserve and any type of settlement that you also deserve. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. You could go to our website, Ask the Lawyer, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You could also, when you get to Ask the Lawyer, look at our personal injury and our civil rights section. We have a lot of information there that educates you about your rights because we want an educated clientele. We believe that black and brown people could read and understand and ask intelligent questions. Do not be treated like if you are a fool with any law firm where they treat you like if you're some dumb schmuck, whatever. Please, treat yourself as a human being, otherwise people would not treat you as a human being. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Give us a call, 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Visit our website, www.askthelawyer.us. www.askthelawyer.us. Thank you.
Every day, thousands of people get injured in accidents, many of which are due to someone else's negligence. The difference between getting the right compensation and getting nothing often starts with finding the right attorney. Call the law firm of Figeroux and Associates. Their attorneys are experienced in the complex area of personal injury law. Get the right legal team that understands you. The consultation is free. No settlement, no fee. Let Figeroux and Associates help you get compensated for your injuries. Call now.
To schedule an appointment, call 1-855-768-8845. That is 1-855-768-8845.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.